In this video, we are going to be mixing Temp Bond. Temp Bond is a temporary cement for trial cementing restorations or cementing temporary crowns and bridges. Temp Bond and Temp Bond NE, which means non-usional, restores and prevents seepage that affords easy removal when desired. Temp Bond NE is a non-usional temporary dental cement that will not inhibit the polymerization of permanent resin cements and acrylic temporaries. Resin-based Temp Bond Clear with triclosan is the most translucent provisional cement in the market, ensuring super aesthetics. It's also available in the convenient auto store syringes and or these little packets. So the non-usional is always stated as NE. You have your base and you have your catalyst or your accelerator. You have your paper pad, non-absorbent, and you have your spatula. So what we're going to do is we're going to dispense the same amount of base and catalyst, making sure the two do not touch. All right, so we have our catalyst or our accelerator, and depending on how many teeth you're doing or what you're doing is the amount that you will need. But the main thing is not equal amounts, but equal lengths. Okay. All right, so what we are going to do is we are going to incorporate the base into the catalyst. And we're going to use our little back and forth motion here. So what I'm kind of doing is I'm gathering this up at a 45-degree angle and then squashing it down. Gathering, squash, gathering, squash, gathering, squash, just like that. Okay? When you're mixing, you're doing a figure eight. That really helps get everything together. I'm holding this at further up so that I have more control. So if you're holding it way back here, you're not going to have as much control. So way up front here. And you're going to gather it and place it into the crown for cementation.